Hi guys, welcome to Dr. Ice. Today we make ice cream with, surprise, level up liquid ice cream today. We hope it will be really tasty. And let's see how it goes. Now first we open this up and see what it's all about. You have a slightly blue liquid inside of this. It smells tasty, kind of fruity. And now we pour some of it right onto the icing machine. And as you can see, it directly crystals up here. It's already ice. That's because this surface here is really cold. It's a slightly blue clush, ice clush we have here. And that's a base for our level up liquid ice cream. Now we can fool around with this a little bit. Like this. And now we will add the ice cream. Shake it up a little. And let's pour it. Oh, look at this. It already has a tasty appearance here. You can imagine that this is gonna be good. Now let's mix it up a little bit. We're starting to get ice cream here. Since we're doing today ice cream is liquid, we don't have to mix it so much. So we can start preparing the ice cream rolls right now. from here on. You give it a little bit caramel sauce. And now we are already set to roll it up. As you can see here, since we are dealing with liquid, the ice is not that sticky that much. But however, we still try to make something out of it. Still try to save it. And maybe we will get a big rolled ice cream. We will see. It's working not that good today. So therefore we put this in here right now. All right. Oh, look at this nice ice cream over here it is. Okay. But that doesn't matter. Now we put some cream right on the side here. And we decorate it a little bit. Some glitter green on top. Okay. Now we can enter a straw. Put some of it in, of the level up right here. Decoration with some greens. Okay. Make it look a little bit more fancy. Go like this. And something like this. And now we are almost set for a beautiful, tasty ice cream setup. And even though it didn't roll up as smooth as expected, it's still a good save, I think. It looks good, it looks tasty. You definitely would like to eat it. You could sell it. So there's no problem with this. So that's our ice cream for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know below in the comments if you like me explaining what I'm doing or if you rather keep it in ASMR. And thank you very much for watching me today and hope to see you back soon. Bye.